Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you that how to make such contour plots for Taguchi design of experiments. To do so, first of all, we will go to the Minitab software. In the Minitab software, we will have to make a Taguchi design initially. So go to Stat, then DOE, then Taguchi. In Create Taguchi design, we have a 3-level design with 4 number of vectors. Then go to Design. So I need L27, click OK, then go to the vector, give them name. So my first vector is C, current, voltage, speed, and then temperature. Each of them has a coded vector design 1, 2, and 3. Click OK, and then go to the options, nothing else to do. Click OK, and then here OK. So we got our Taguchi design of experiment. To view only data, click here, data only. Now I will paste my response variables here. To save the time, I have inputted RA surface roughness values. Now to make a contour plot, first of all, we will perform a regression analysis between any two variables. So go to Stat, Regression, Fit Regression Model. Here my response is RA, while my continuous predictors are any two. Let's take it C and S. You can take any of two, but not more than two. Then click OK, nothing else to do. And once you got this regression equation, the next step is to open the Origin software in your PC. Upon opening the Origin software, you will get such an interface to maximize the window. Then right click here to add a column. So add a new column. After this, change the dimension of this column. This is quite compulsory to do so. And here we have the plot destination is in Z direction because we have one column in the x-axis, one for the y, and one should be for the z-axis. Now come back to the Minitab software. Here we have taken C and S for the data analysis. So copy the C column here, C, Control copy, click here, Control V for the pasting. Then the second column I have taken is S, so Control C, and in the Origin software, Control V. Then again come back to the Minitab software. Here select the data of the response variable, that is RA, Control C, and then click here for the Control V. So these are the steps so far. Once you have done with this, then click on this new matrix. So you will get such a matrix. Then click here on the, upon clicking in the top left cell, the whole matrix will be turned into the blue color while the headings of the row and the column in black colors. Then right click on it, you will get these options. Here set matrix dimensions labels. So in this cell, you will have to say 200 by 200. In the last column, you'll have to enter 3, and here in the last row enter 3. Why this 3? Because if you go to the Minitab software, so you can see it here, we have coded over levels of the independent variable or the factor into 1, 2, and 3, where 1 representing low level and the 3 representing the high level. So in short, we have 3 levels, and the same information we have to put in the software. Click OK. After that, again do the right click on the same top left cell. You will get again the same window. Click on matrix value, select it, and then here you will have to input the regression equation. Let me write it, and let's go to the Minitab software. In the Minitab software, here is the equation 814 minus. So 814, please remember that we do not have to write the RA or the response variable name. Then do not enter is equal to. Then write minus 128.2. Then insert a static symbol and multiply it by x and small x. Then we have to again go to the Minitab software, plus 22.1 multiplied by y. So plus here 22.1 multiplied by static symbol and y. So in this way, there should be no spacing in between them. You can perform the same thing in the Excel as well. Click OK. So you got all of these values. These are basically the output of the regression analysis at various inputs of. You can generate such data sets in the Excel as well, because each of the value in this sheet is basically a combination of X and Y value that we have taken C and S value at different settings. So after getting such a data, again click on it so that it will be selected. Then go to plot. In the plot, click on 3D surface, then click on color map surface. So you will get such a plot. In this plot, the next step is to, I mean that plotting of the individual points. I mean 27 experimental data points that we have in the Taguchi design. To do so, then again right click on this one, then go to the layer contents. In the layer contents, select this book 1C, because our response variable is in the C column. Move it to the layer contents, then click OK and wait. Now the data points has been shown by these rectangles. So double click on any of the rectangles. Now it's time to improve the aesthetic of this software. Now here a new window will be opened. So we will have to select the shape. We say that the data point should be in the round shape with the size of 8. In the drop line, we want to remove the drop lines that are associated with all those points that are parallel to Z axis. Nothing else to do in all these windows, and then apply and OK. Wait. So you can see the data points has been changed into the red color dots. To remove these grid lines, double click on these grid lines, then click on axis. In the axis, click on grid lines. We have three kind of grid lines: vertical, horizontal, and the z-axis. So we will have to remove the major grids for all of them. So remove for the vertical, removed for the horizontal, and for the z-axis as well. Apply and then wait. So the grid lines have been improved. Now you can see it here that the one x-axis title, it means you can change the x-axis titles. For example, I write here C. For the y-axis title, I will write S, because these are my two independent variables or input parameters. I write here S. Then for the z-axis, my response variable name is RA, that is for the surface roughness profiles. So I have changed it. Now it's time to eliminate this problem. So the 1 and the 450 are overlapping. So click on these z-axis values, and then we will move towards the scale. So starting from 450, instead of, I will say that start it from 451. Then apply and OK. Let's see what happens. So you can see the problem has been solved for the z-axis as well. Now the next step is to improve the color format of this graph. So I have other color format as well. You can take this color format by taking this original file of the origin from me. So click on this. Whenever I will share this file with you via WhatsApp or via email or LinkedIn, so you will have to open this file in the origin software, then to double click on it. After that, click on color for copy format, then click on colors. The format has been copied. Then go to your own file, double click on it and paste the format. So the format has been pasted. So that you can see the color has been improved too much. Now it is the requirement of various research papers or articles that there should be a scale that is associated with the RA or the YZ axis, our response variable. So first of all, double click on this whole figure, move it slightly towards the right, and then after that move the scale towards the left so that it will be adjacent with the z axis, just like I am moving the scale, and it should be adjacent with the RA. Now the scale has been moved. The last step is to insert the equation. To insert the equation, click on this T and then click wherever you want to add the equation. For example, you want to add it here. So I've written this one. So I will delete the regression equation words. I have copied this regression equation from the Minitab software. You can also do the same and then adjust it accordingly. So this is the equation. I will move it slightly up and bring it in the center of the figure. Now we will remove these white color lines because these are not looking good. So in order to do so, click on this graph, then click on plot detail. In the plot detail, go to the surface / projections. Here do two things. First of all, uncheck this contour line. This will the white color line will be removed. And the second thing, select this bottom color because a bottom contour will also be added in the software as well. By doing so, then wait. So now the white color lines has been removed, the bottom contour has been added. Now the last thing, it's up to you that you can move this graph as well, so in the right or left clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. By doing so, you can see it here, its direction will be changed. If you have any question, please contact me via WhatsApp or my email or the LinkedIn. I will try to guide you as much as possible. You can also take the original color file from me via WhatsApp, email or LinkedIn. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.